you know, 6 o'clock in the morning, just getting off work, punching out the clock, getting some gas, casual as hell. Then I literally watched this truck roll over my car at the pump. Watched it. It is too early in the morning for this shit, man. Damn. But damn, bro. Why me? Why me? My car been taking a beating since I moved to Miami. We gonna get it figured out, though. We gonna get it figured out. It's been a couple of days since my whole car incident, and I'm still waiting on insurance to cut me a check and send an adjuster out here. And look at my car, man. It looks so clean from this side. Like nothing's been done to it. Like everything's okay. Still needs a wash though, good wash. But I'll show y'all what it's looking like on the other side. What the hell is that? What is that? Ew. Anyway, it's just been sitting here for the last week or so. It's looking sad. Look at that, man. It's crazy. Looks like a damn T-Rex done clawed at my car. Big T-Rex. But yeah, this is what it's looking like so far right now. And hopefully I can get this thing in a shop within the next week or so. Cause yeah, I kinda want my car back. And I hate seeing my car just sitting like this. I'm gonna have to get this fixed right here, of course. I gotta get my rims redone because the shit's been tore up by the truck. And I don't think it's gonna be a long turnaround to get my car back. And other than that, I'm gonna just get some fresh paint over here, repaint my front bumper because it was overdue for some paint anyway. And I gotta get new quick releases because those are broke too. But other than that, it should be a quick fix. Probably I give it about a week and a half to get everything put together back on. It doesn't take long to switch the fenders out and paint me up. So yeah, man, that's an update on what's going on with my car right now. Yeah, next video I'll probably pretty much be showing y'all like me going through the process of getting this thing fixed, or I might skip all of that and just come back when everything's finished. Who knows, man. But yeah, that's it for this one, man. I'll catch y'all on the next one. K out.